Hi Ray, I just thought I'd quickly show you some things that I've learnt um, with the staging tool. So I was running into many problems with the staging tool until and constantly contacting support until I finally got to the root problem. So in File Manager, which is essentially just FTP. If I go to staging and in here, so it will create a backup every time you push and destroy staging environments, and they're huge. If I went into this, the size would be like 3 gigabytes. So need to constantly delete these when I'm pushing to live and destroying staging environments. Otherwise, it will fill my quota on my host and it'll fail. So I just thought I'd let you know that. So I'll go ahead and remove these now, and then you can continue with the push to live. If you, after pushing to live, if you came in here, you'll notice it again. So yeah, I would generally check this before I do something, before I push to live, before I destroy. So you don't have to worry about it. I'll check these before I do those actions. But if you need to do those actions, just need to come in and do that as well. Okay, cheers.